How to use SpotMe money on Chime. So, SpotMe is basically a service from Chime where eligible users can overdraw from their account from about $20 to $200 and they do not get charged an overdraft fee. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. First things first, what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Chime app. Okay, launch the Chime app. And then once you're logged in, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the settings cog right here at the top left corner. Click on that. This will open up the settings. And now right here under Spot Me, you'll see this setting right here. You'll see this option, overdraw fee free. What you're going to do is you're going to toggle this option on and go ahead and choose your limit. You can find the amount you're able to overdraw next to your limit. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then all you want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and make a purchase. Really easy and simple. Once you toggle this on, just go ahead and make a purchase. And then you will be able to pay even though you do not have enough funds in your wallet. It'll basically overdraw, but they will not charge you any fees. And the next time you deposit money into your account, it will automatically be applied to your negative balance. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.